Alright guys, let's be honest. Car maintenance isn't the most exciting thing in the world. Most people don't even think about it until something breaks. But the truth is, if you take care of the little things, you can save yourself a ton of money and avoid those nasty surprise bills at the mechanic. So today, I'm giving you some simple car maintenance tips that anybody can do. And listen, stick around until the end because I'm going to share one tip that mechanics love to charge for, and you can fix it yourself at home for basically free. Tip number 1. Check your tire pressure. Tires are boring, I know. But here's the thing. They're literally the only part of your car that touches the road. If they're low, you burn more gas, your tires wear out unevenly, and eventually, boom, blowout. Not fun. Just grab a cheap tire pressure gauge, keep it in the car, and check every couple of weeks. Do it when the tires are cold, like in the morning before you drive. Takes 2 minutes, saves you money on gas and tires. Easy win. Tip number 2. Change your oil on time. Oil changes. Yeah, you've heard it a million times, but people still ignore it. Think of oil as your engine's coffee. Without it, the whole thing just dies. Here's the mistake people make. They trust the sticker from the oil shop. Don't. Check your manual. Some cars want new oil every 5,000 kilometers, others can go 15,000. If you skip it, you're basically asking for an engine rebuild. And trust me, you don't want to pay that bill.
Tip number 3. Don't ignore the check engine light.
You know that little glowing orange light that looks like an engine? Most people pretend it's not there. Big mistake. Sometimes it's nothing, like a loose gas cap. Other times it's a real problem. Here's a trick. Get yourself a cheap OBD2 scanner. Costs about 20 bucks. Plugs into your car and tells you what's wrong. Mechanics will happily charge you just to check that light. Tip number 4. Replace your air filter. Your engine needs to breathe. If the air filter's clogged with dust and bugs, it's like trying to jog while breathing through a dirty sock. Not great. Most filters are stupid simple to change. Pop open the box, swap it out, done. Takes 2 minutes. Check it every 10,000 or so kilometers. If it looks nasty, change it. A clean filter protects your engine and might even give you a little better fuel economy.
Tip number 5. Keep an eye on your fluids.
People always think about oil, but your car has a bunch of other fluids that matter just as much. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid. If any of those are low, you're in trouble. Low coolant? Overheating. That alone can kill an engine. So once a month, pop the hood, take a look. It's not rocket science. It's literally just making sure the levels are where they should be. 2 minutes that can save you thousands. Tip number 6. Rotate your tires. Here's one almost nobody remembers. Tire rotation. Your front tires wear faster than the rears because of steering and braking. If you never rotate them, you'll be buying new tires way sooner than you should. Shops will do it cheap, or if you're a DIY type, you can handle it at home. Either way, it makes your tires last longer. And who doesn't like saving money?
Tip number 7. Don't ride the brakes.
Let's talk brakes. If you're the type who's always got your foot resting on the pedal, or you slam them at the last second, you are chewing through brake pads like candy. Instead, look ahead, coast a little, and brake smoothly. Not only will your brakes last longer, but your passengers won't get whiplash every time you stop. Tip number 8. Battery terminals.
All right, here's the one I promised you, the mechanic's little moneymaker. If your car's slow to start or your lights flicker, everyone assumes the battery's dead. Sometimes it's not the battery at all, it's just dirty battery terminals. Corrosion builds up, electricity can't flow properly, and the car struggles. Here's the kicker. Cleaning it is dead simple. All you need is baking soda, water, and a little brush. Takes 5 minutes. But I've seen mechanics charge $50, even $100 for this repair. Now you know the trick, and you can do it yourself for free.
And there you go. 8 car maintenance tips that will keep your ride running longer and save you a ton of money. Now, I'm curious, how many of you already knew about the battery terminal trick? Drop a comment below because I bet a lot of people didn't. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with that one friend who always has car trouble. Thanks for hanging out, take care of your car, and I'll see you in the next one.